Bomola kisha tukasimamisha sisi kuja na tatizo.
Any land that belongs to the county will go back. We cannot allow individuals to be greater than the state. That a hospital will be built here for the purpose which this land was intended. So if there is any person who has any dispute or thinks he or she has ownership of this land, then they can go to court.
That all public land should be repossessed and give it to the Nairobians, please. Even a lot of schools has been grabbed, seriously.
When people around here have a medical issue, they have to travel all the way either to Mbakadi or Kenyatta, which is unfair and is also a demonstration of people operating under serious impunity